Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've been working on making these DIY kid craft packs for my craft fair, and I wanted to share it with you if this is something that your craft fair allows. And I realize that it's not handmade, but I do put it together, and there are some things that I did to it that make it a little different than just getting it out of the package and packaging it in little baggies. So I wanted to share this with you in case you wanted an idea for your craft fair. These are also good for like to give to all the kids who come over for the holidays. You can have these all packaged up and ready to go. And give these to family and even neighbors or teachers who want to give things to their students. So anyway, this is real simple. It's going to be quick and easy, and I just wanted to share it with you. Now, I haven't decorated this bag yet because I ordered some peppermint washi tape, and I'm waiting for that to come in so I can use it to decorate these bags. But what I'll probably do is put a strip of the washi tape across here. I think I'll probably do it on both sides. And I thought about doing some stickers, but I haven't decided yet. So this is kind of incomplete, but you'll be able to see a finished item in the video that I make like around October, where I share what I made for my craft fair. So I also had this pretty gold washi tape that my friend Jennifer gave me. I just realized that it was scalloped, and I thought that would be pretty, maybe over top of the peppermint washi. And so I'll just decorate the bag and make it look cute. And I wanted to show you how I put these together and give you a little pricing information that might help you with your craft fair. So that's what it looks like. I got these gingerbread house kits at Hobby Lobby when they were on clearance. I try to do that after Christmas so that I can save money and sell things at a lower price at my craft fairs. But I got this for 90% off, so I paid like 50 cents for the whole pack, and there's 24 in there. And so what I did was, this came attached to it, and I cut that off and I made copies of this. And so I've got these, I just cut them out, made these on my printer, and that's what I used to put inside the bag. So that's that. All the little pieces you get, it does take quite a while to get them all punched out, and it is a little tedious, but I think it's worth it because people at my craft fairs really love these, and because they're a lower priced item, they sell really well. So all these little pieces come on these foam sheets, and they're kind of a pain sometimes to get all these little pieces out. But this is what it looks like, and I've got them all out here. I saved this to show you what it looked like, and here are the little gingerbread houses. Now, I used my crocodile, and I punched a little hole in there and used my peppermint twine to make a hanger, because I thought these would be good when kids decorate them. They can hang them on the tree. You could probably also put like a little magnet on there if you wanted to make these magnets, but I like the ornament idea. So I'm using my little tray here. I've got all my little pieces. Got my copies, and I had these little teeny tiny bags, and I decided to use these to put all the little pieces in. So what I do is I go from top to bottom, and I counted there are 20 pieces in each gingerbread kit. And so I try to count as I go so that I don't forget any of these pieces. And I believe there's 20 in here. So it helps to count them to make sure you don't miss anything. Which I have done. There's like one piece I keep forgetting to put in every one of them. But yeah, this is just an easy way to make a little extra money, and it doesn't take a lot of time or effort. And I realize they're not handmade, but people really like these, and so I like to have things that you know, people like to buy. It draws people to my booth, and my craft fair allows 20% of your booth to not be handmade. And so as long as 80% of your items are handcrafted, you're okay. And so I use the other, you know, small percent on things like this that I know people really like. So I did get a really good deal on these. So I have very little cost. I did the math, and it really just cost like less than 20 cents per pack, per gingerbread house. So if I sell these for $2, which I usually do, you know, 2 times 24, that's pretty good. You make like $1.80 per gingerbread house, and that's pretty good profit margin, I think. But these are the bags that I use. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, so they were just like $1.50. These are the ones in the bakery section, but they also have these in another section where they have like different colored bags. I want to say it's not in the party section, but it's close to the party section. And they have like gold ones and some with designs on them, and so I didn't find mine in that section because they were out. It was the only bag that was out that day. And so I went to the bakery section, and they have the same ones. They're the same size. I'll actually give you the bag dimensions, so that might help you in case you want to buy them somewhere else, somewhere different. So I just stick all these little pieces in here and seal it up. And that's so easy and fast, and I just need to decorate them with some little washi tape and maybe some stickers. I have some cute little stickers I got from Hobby Lobby, and I thought these might be really cute. You know, it's got like gingerbread candies in here. I thought I might maybe put some here or something like that, but I haven't decided yet. I'll do that later, but I wanted to go ahead and share this with you and show you how I put it together before I got them all done. And so anyway, that is that. It's so easy, and you know, it's a fun way to bring some attention to your craft table, and people really do like these. So like I said, I'll probably sell them for $2, and even at that, I'll still make a little bit of money off of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.